Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Sun transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about Sun. As indicator of the soul, the Sun is the giver of life. The sun is the indicator of the father or our ego, humors, status, fame, heart, eyes, respect, and power. In Vedic astrology, it represents the soul. It is a representation of your outer self, of how you project yourself to the world and what makes you stand apart from the rest. This time, Sun will exalted in Aries sign from 13th of April to 14th of May 2021. Now, your wait is over. A bunch of prediction with lots of happiness is waiting for you. I know you must be waiting for your zodiac prediction. Let's open the box of future. Along with prediction, I will also suggest some remedies which can give you auspicious results. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. It would be good for those who want to start a fashionable or fabric clothing business. You can also fulfill your dream of having a new home or car for yourself at this time. You can be successful in achieving a lot of progress in your field of work. Your leadership qualities will grow and you will be good at getting the task accomplished with your good managing skills. If you do a job, then improve your performance so that you can get more and more profit. During this time, you should avoid traveling. Relations with your family will be good. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. There will be many opportunities for growth in business with intellectual skills. You will take full advantage of these opportunities. Students will not be able to concentrate on studies due to dissolution of concentration. So try to avoid studying through gadgets. Buying or selling can be good for you and you will earn good profit. Communication skills can prove to be the key of your success. The competitive exam will prove to be favorable for students. You will be more into socializing and will have fun around with your friends. Your romantic life can be expected to be very luxurious. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Business persons will have to face some challenges in business. Try to more active. There will be an increase of wealth and the economic situation will be strengthened. You will get success in whatever work you start or work you have already taken in your hands. Your life will be filled with happiness and there will be prosperity in life. You will get the desired results of your actions. The feeling of laziness and lethargy will dominate inside the students. It will be better to study with activeness. One may have to travel in connection with work at the workplace. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. Business persons will face challenges in business, but smart strategy will change the situation. There can be a job change for your inclination. Do invest in a stock market, real estate, cosmetics, cloth industry or leather industry. It will give you better results. You will receive surprise from loved one by the end of this month. Students will succeed in midterm and oral exams. Unmarried people may get married very soon. Happiness will flow in your family. You will see new vibes in family. There are strong chances of travel for cracking some more business deals. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. On the economic front, you see success in business. Your influence and image will increase in your professional life. A new guest may arrive in your family who will become lucky charm for you. You will get benefit in many ways at the workplace, and your income will also increase, especially after 15th of April. Love and affection will rise with your partner. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase, and you can go on pilgrimages. Students will get success in examination because of your intelligent mind. You will become a role model, your friends because of your achievement. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. You will be able to spend happy moments with family members. You can buy a new house or repair your old house. Business persons does not do his business with close relatives or friends. Otherwise, there may be some problems. You will work hard in the field so that you will get good results. You will spend loving moments with your spouse. Students do not study diligently and peacefully. There may be some problems. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. In business, you may get into an argument. You have to take special care of your spouse, love partner's health. At the workplace, you will get the fruits of your hard work as a promotion. Disputes may arise between family members over ancestral properties or other properties. Students may face some problems in studies. Health will be fine, but pay more attention to food. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. If you consider investing in a stock market or any other area, otherwise it can be a loss. To avoid this situation or problem, you may have eye disease. Take special care of your eyes. Expecting too much from your lover can cause frustration for you. You may be a victim of stress due to differences in family life. A stuck payment is unlikely to be found in the business. The economic situation may fluctuate, so take special care. Officers may be unhappy with your work in the field. Tensions may increase due to non completion of planned work. Students have to control their negativity. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Foreign clients and strategies can be developed. If you are in a government post, then you can get special benefit from the government. Working people can get more success in the workplace than expected. You will get material happiness and you will be able to lead a monarchical life. It looks good for medical and law students. You have to take special care of your health. Students may get a new topic in the study. The economic situation in the business is also likely to improve. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. You may take time to prove your worth to your bosses. Change of job is favorable after 19th of April. No support from colleagues could make you dull. You may take time to prove your worth to the bosses. Students will be distracted from studies and will be involved in love affairs. A family member will be sick. Expenditure on their test and medicines is expected. Ego and temper may create a rift with your partner. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. You can expect to gain financially. Buying or selling can be said to be good for bargaining and you can get benefit. Communication skills can prove to be the key to your success. Your romantic mood can create a thrill in your love life. You can keep your partner happy. For these sweet lovers, There is truly nothing more romantic than when their closest companion lends a helping hand. You will feel good and energetic in terms of health. The day is very weak in terms of love life. Teachers' learning will be useful for students. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. This period is going to prove very favorable for your business deals, and from an economic point of view, you will get a lot of benefits during this period. You may get employed if you are working hard. For artists, new phase is waiting for you. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. Time will also be very prosperous for family and close ones. Your relationship with your father will be strong during this period. Religious trip is expected. Practice yoga for good mental or physical health. Now I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for better future. Feed jaggery to cows, especially on Sundays. Offering water to sun every morning from a copper vessel is a powerful practice to strengthen sun. Wearing ruby gemstone can also be considered to calm sun. Keep a piece of red cloth in your wallet to avoid financial problems. Grow a rose plant and nurture it. Chanting Gayatri Mantra is good to improve the result of sun. Daily, if you can do, then please do. Yoga, meditation, Surya Namaskar Yoga, and Aditya Hriday Stotra. So, dear friends, it was my analysis for sun transit. I will always be available for you to solve your problems because it is dream to it spread happiness and prosperity all over the world. However, this is just a special forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahonkakhel.co.in. In the end, all I want to say is remember that blessed are those who can give without remembering and take without forgetting. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.